know, since the dawn of professional new home sales, consumers have been effectively convincing salespeople that price is their most important concern. Asking a salesperson for a deal, a discount, or incentive, it's nothing new. However, the zeal with which homebuyers display their price-only mentality takes a great toll on company profits and the industry as a whole. If you analyze this a little further, you realize there's low cost, there's low price, there's high value, there's low value, and there's a fair price and a good value. And that's a mouthful right there. But when I ask a room full of salespeople, what is the number one thing that a consumer wants today? What do you think their answer is? You got it, lower price. The majority of them say a home buyer is looking for a lower price first, quality second, and service third. Now let's switch audiences for a moment and ask a room full of home buyers the same question. How do you think the home buyer responds? The most frequent answers I hear from home buyers are service first, quality second, and a lower price third. So it seems there's this perceptual difference in what home buyers want and what they actually tell salespeople that they want. Well, how do you explain that? By understanding the difference between cost and price. Now, price is defined what we pay for a new home. We write the check, use some of our savings if we just bought a brand new home at a set dollar amount. That's price. What's cost? Cost is what we pay for the new home after settlement, over a period of time. Cost is ongoing maintenance and expenses. So those who buy a cheap home will most likely have more service bills and higher emotional inconveniences, expenses that will last as long as the home is owned. They may have bought a home at a lower initial price, but it's at an actual higher cost. Therefore, your mission in new home sales is not to work at lowering the price of your homes, but to work at understanding how each prospect perceives value.